Fact number 1. Did you know that Sweden has a law called Allemansrätten, which gives everyone the right to roam freely in nature? That's right, you can explore forests, swim in lakes, and even camp on private land as long as you respect the environment and property. Fact number 2. Sweden is home to the world's largest spherical building, known as the Ericsson globe. This iconic landmark is not only a sports arena, but also hosts concerts and other events. Its unique design and size make it a must-visit attraction. Fact number 3. Sweden is famous for its love of coffee. In fact, the average Swede consumes around 8.2 kilograms of coffee per year, making it one of the highest coffee-consuming countries in the world. So, if you're a coffee lover, Sweden is the place to be. Fact number 4. Ever heard of the Icehotel? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. A hotel made entirely of ice and snow. Located in the small village of Jukkasjärvi, this unique hotel offers a once-in-a-lifetime experience, where you can sleep in a room made entirely of ice and even enjoy a drink at the ice bar. Fact number 5. Sweden is known for its commitment to sustainability. In fact, it aims to become the world's first fossil fuel-free nation by 2045. With its focus on renewable energy and eco-friendly practices, Sweden is leading the way in creating a greener future. Fact number 6. Did you know that Sweden has its own version of the Loch Ness monster? Known as the Storsjöodjuret, this mythical creature is said to reside in Lake Storsjön. Many locals claim to have seen it, adding to the mystery and intrigue surrounding this Swedish legend. Fact number 7. Sweden is home to the world's largest IKEA store. Located in Kungens Kurva, Stockholm, this massive store covers an area of over 55,000 square meters. With its wide range of furniture and home decor, it's a paradise for those who love the Swedish design aesthetic. And there you have it, 7 of the craziest facts about Sweden. We hope you enjoyed this whirlwind tour of this incredible country. Stay tuned for more exciting videos and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time.